For ESTG to reach out to you and do this feature on this, and for you to trash the feature, that's crazy.
At the top, you gon' have to check in. I ain't signed, I'll be independent label reppin'. Who at the door?
No, they said EST and MGK got together and did something, so I ain't think EST would do a collab with MGK. I thought he'd probably do collabs with a lot of other artists that's like in his lane for real, versus just messing with somebody out of the blue that we just never expected. Not to say MGK ain't a good rapper, he don't be going in, but ESTG, that was the least expected feature for real, out of that nigga.
Dev around the corner, good thing I don't know where I'm going. Dev calling my phone saying I owe him, I ignore.
All right, so I don't know what to expect for real. This feel already, I'm just looking at this shit like, I don't know what to expect from MGK, man. Even though he kind of converted into the rock scene a little bit, he still has some rap songs and some features that he's done. It's been like very few, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of people ain't been respecting my nigga as a rapper. So I think that it's time that he start doing shit. It may be just eating up a bunch of features. That nigga then went into that rap lifestyle and got that energy and he bringing it back to his rap music. That's crazy to me though. I mean, I'll fuck with it. MGK gonna be a legend, bro. And he's still like in his prime. He's still building. So niggas gotta accept the legendary shit he doing right now, versus trying to look for something that just ain't that nigga style, you know what I'm saying? He doing what he wanna do. So this shit better be hard though, cause I ain't heard you rap in a minute, man.
I don't owe no nigga a quarter, take it if you want it. Better get out here and get on it. From the nighttime to the morning, I've been through it all. Nigga better not speak on what they saw. Considering on what it costs to get this far, would you still risk it all? Considering I still made $1 million, tell me how I'm wrong. Would you still be happy for your dog if you wasn't involved? Would you in this shit if you still benefit after I'm gone? I ain't cry. Once they crossed that line, I got down there for mine.
I'm sleeping on ESTG. I'm heavily sleeping on this nigga. Every time I hear a song from this nigga, I'll be like, yo, why ain't I tapped in? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all something though, like, it's one thing to like an artist, it's one thing to like some songs and shit. It's another thing to actually like fuck with the movement of that artist. And I think when I used to be a fan of a lot of artists or a lot of people in general, I wasn't only a fan of the music, but I fucked with them as a person, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, a lot of these rappers be fake, but them ain't the ones I'm talking about. I'm talking about the ones that have stayed in the game, kept it solid, stayed G the whole trip. You know, these mainstream rappers, they gonna do what they need to do to stay on top. But the niggas that got it from the mud and then got hot, you know those niggas is real, man. Because if they weren't rapping, they be doing some other shit, straight up. These other niggas though, they just rappers that talk about shit that if they wasn't rapping, they wouldn't be doing that shit either, straight up.
In that grass, kissing Mrs. Spine, snake and spitting slime. Honestly, it's just a state of mind I needed to survive. I'ma take your life or you take mine, every single time. I can't change my mind. The love I used to have been left behind. I don't think about it, I let it cross my mind. I peep the signs and set the bait. Soon as the sheets get ate, put the mouse in its place. You being the one to top my rank, something I don't think, and I still show them love when I felt hate. Guess it's just my thanks. Whisper when you speaking on the great words that get you spanked. I'm running around with something to flip a tank. You better play it safe. Dev around the corner, good thing I don't know where I'm going. Dev calling my phone saying I owe him, I ignore. Cause I don't owe no nigga a quarter, take it if you want it. Better get out here and get on it. From the nighttime to the morning, I've been through it all. Nigga better not speak on.
Definitely remind me of like Trap or Die. When Trap or Die first came out and I heard Jeezy for the first time, I was like, yo, this nigga's crazy. This nigga's ill with it. Like, on the trap shit, this nigga's ill. It wasn't really about, like, lyrical content. Even though Jeezy lyrical, it was just how the nigga was coming off. It's the same thing with ESTG. Like, I fuck with the nigga voice. I fuck with the nigga sound. Nigga raspy ad-libs. Him sounding like himself, you feel me? He represents that trap sound, but he sound like himself. And I think that's why the nigga didn't pop so fast, because he don't sound like nobody. And his shit hard. Same thing with 42 Dugg. I mean, his voices will put him on, you feel me? But that nigga music crazy too. So a lot of these mainstream rappers, they not even as good as the niggas that had to really work for it and really like had niggas put their ears and eyes on what they was doing, because they kept dropping music or they was in the streets heavy, ditching they shit to the strip clubs and shit like that. When you got music for strip clubs, oh yeah, you sawing the pop. You sawing the pop.
What they saw, considering on what it costs to get this far, would you still risk it all? Considering I still made $1 million, tell me how I'm wrong. Would you still be happy for your dog?
Hey, I lost all of my emotions a minute. I watched my father die in front of me. I had to take the knife out of my back from someone who was like a son to me. You know we keep the location on you, so it ain't no point trying to run from me. I gotta lower the elevation, cause it ain't nobody that is up with me. I got residue stuck to my cup, what I'm sipping thick as fuck. I'm a chemist with the shit, I mix my ops into the blunts. I got Dennis putting platinum and some diamonds on my front. I'm in Texas, still tipping off a four from last month.
That nigga going crazy. That nigga going crazy. Shout out MGK, man. You know, he from the city, you heard? So shout out MGK, man. You going hard on this shit. Can't cap. It beat too hard, though. Like, if you didn't, it would have been a high disappointment from everybody that's your fan. For ESTG to reach out to you and do this feature on this, and for you to trash the feature, that's crazy. But you ain't do that, though, you know what I'm saying? You came on this bitch, you did your thing, you feel me? That's what's up.
I let the top down in my hometown just to let them know it's us. I'm like Barack now, I'm the president of the squad, can't be touched. I know the blogs loud with the keyboards, but in real life they sus. They said I'm rock now till we rock out with the Glocks out, let it bust. Ayy.
Devil around the corner, good thing I don't know where I'm going. They're calling my phone saying I owe him, I ignore it. Cause I don't owe no nigga a quarter, take it if you want it, better.
Yeah, comment if y'all think that MGK is on that wave where he about to just start dropping rap music after rap music. He probably may drop a mixtape, you know what I'm saying? Or a short EP. I don't know if he gonna drop an album because he recently just dropped the album, Main Street Sellout. So I don't think he gonna do back to back, but it's possible, you know what I'm saying? But knowing somebody like MGK, he not gonna drop a whole project of rap. He might just drop a little bit and little bits at a time just to keep people wanting it. You know what I'm saying? Because I think he want that respect, you know, that respect as a rapper. He came in as a rapper, eating shit up, you know what I mean? And then they try to take away his credibility because of his beef with Eminem. You got a lot of M fans out here, so when you go at M head, you know, I'm sure he expected that, but you can't take away MGK's talent because of that beef. And whether you feel like M won, whatever the case may be, in my eyes, it take hella courage to go against M. To go against Eminem, yo, even in a rap battle, they ain't even battled. If they would have battled each other, that would have been the livest shit ever. It probably would have been the most viewed video on YouTube. But for him to go at Eminem in general just says a lot about him as an artist, as a rapper, and as a man for real. You know, that ain't no easy shit, especially for that nigga to respond to you too. And then you gotta live with that shit, you know what I'm saying? But he did his thing though, and he's still doing his thing. And I definitely fuck with the rock transition. Me, myself, I fuck with alternative rock music, you know what I'm saying? Paramore, Metric, Kings of Leon, I listen to all that shit. So to hear him actually make that kind of sound, I was liking that. Drop whatever y'all think I should react to in the comments from MGK, because this is my first Machine Gun Kelly reaction video. I did another ESTG reaction video, so if y'all want to see that, I'm going to leave a link in the comments with him and Jack Harlow, you know what I'm saying? What am I smoking? Oh, a pack wrap. No more blunt, show. This is not a blunt, it's a pack wrap. Natural hemp leaf. I just got to the point where I just really don't want to fuck with the blunts no more, you know what I'm saying? The order I got it, I just started knowing, like, I should have been left them hoes alone. I just kept fucking with them. And then I tried papers, you know what I'm saying? I tried all kind of alternatives. The only thing that really worked for me, for real, is these hemp wraps, you know what I'm saying? They smooth and they work. This ain't me promoting. Y'all know I do my sponsorships at the beginning of the videos. But I'm just saying, man, some of y'all be wondering, like, damn, what you smoking on the shit, though? Like, thinking it's a blunt or it's a backwood. No, it's a pack wrap. Soon to come, I'm gonna have my own wraps, you know what I'm saying? My natural leaf wraps. And when I do make that, y'all gonna know, because it's gonna be obvious with the logo that I made that it's mine, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm gonna be promoting on my wannabe sponsorships to come. So y'all be looking out for that. And when I do drop that, make sure y'all cop and support, man. All right, it's a lot of y'all out there that be watching, don't be liking. You feel me? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and support the channel if you fuck with my content, you heard?
At the top, you gon' have to check in. I ain't signed, I'll be independent label reppin'.